You drive your GMC Sierra every day, but here's something surprising. Many owners still don't know how to properly use all of the interior ceiling dome light features. They keep pressing different buttons, accidentally change a setting, and later wonder why the lights don't work the way they expect. If you don't know these features yet, don't worry. In the next few minutes, you'll learn everything you need to know and use them like an experienced GMC Sierra owner. But first, don't make this one common mistake. Many GMC Sierra owners accidentally disable the automatic door light feature by pressing the door mode button without knowing what it does. Later, when they open the door and the dome lights don't come on, they think there's a problem with the truck, even though it's just a setting. So, if you want to learn the correct way to use every interior dome light feature on your GMC Sierra, make sure you watch this video until the very end. Before we begin, comment below which country you're watching from. I know many GMC Sierra owners are from the United States, Canada, and Mexico, and I'd love to see where you're watching from. If you find this video helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and if this tutorial saves you time, consider sending a super thanks. Your support helps me create more useful videos like this. Now, let's get started. Today I'll show you how to turn the interior ceiling dome lights, also called the reading lights or dome lights, on and off in your GMC Sierra. I'll also show you how to control the feature that automatically turns the interior lights on when you open a door and turns them off after you close it. Let's begin with the overhead console. Simply look up at the ceiling above the front seats. This is where all of the dome light controls are located. First, let's look at the individual reading lights. If you want to turn on the driver's reading light, press the driver's side reading light button once. The light will turn on immediately. Press the same button again to turn it off. The passenger reading light works exactly the same way. Press the passenger side button once to turn it on and press it again to switch it off. Now let's look at the main dome light control. If you want to illuminate the entire cabin, including the rear interior lights, simply press the main dome light button on the overhead console. All of the interior lights will come on together. When you're finished, press the same button again to turn all of the lights off. Now let's talk about one of the most useful features. The automatic door light function. Have you ever opened your truck's door and noticed the interior lights didn't turn on? In most cases, there's nothing wrong. It's simply because the door mode setting has been changed. If the door mode indicator is enabled, the automatic door lighting feature is disabled. That means opening the door won't turn the interior lights on. To restore normal operation, simply press the door mode button once. Now, the next time you open any door, the interior lights will automatically turn on. When you close the door, they'll turn off after a short delay, just as they were designed to. This feature is especially useful because you can choose whether you want the interior lights to come on automatically or stay off when loading cargo, camping, or leaving the doors open for an extended time. And that's all there is to it. Now, you know how to use the individual reading lights, turn all of the interior dome lights on or off, and enable or disable the automatic door light feature on your GMC Sierra. If this tutorial helped you learn something new, please give this video a like, subscribe for more GMC Sierra tips and tutorials, and if you'd like to support the channel, tap the super thanks button. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.